Assalamualaikum, beautiful people. How are you? I hope everyone is fine with good health. Alhamdulillah. Yes, early morning, just saying hi, hello, because it's a special day for me. Let me get up first. Ouch. Sorry for my voice. Bear with it, please, kindly. And don't think I am quarreling or fighting with anyone. So, yes, today is a very special day. And because it's my papa's birthday, so my papa's or my mommy's birthday is like my birthday. So Papa is also still sleeping, but time for him to wake him up. See, Papa is sleeping. Oh, sorry, the way he is sleeping, because he was not well couple of days. Last couple of days he was very sick, and I will tell you. So he's sleeping. Happy birthday, Papa. So yes, I sleep with my Papa. I'm still his little princess, and I do sleep with him. So I'm trying to do something. Though I don't celebrate birthday or anything like that, but for a special person, something special. So let's see. Time for him to wake him up and make him ready, feed him. Okay? So keep watching me what I do, and keep him in your prayers too. Alhamdulillah, my Papa is ready. He's wearing all new Punjabis, and his favorite color is purple, though it's mixed with purple and magenta. I'm liking it. He's totally ready with tasbih and everything. So, and a small that arrangement I have done. I'm going to have Milad, inshallah. Just a short arrangement. So you will see that soon. Till then, how is my Papa looking? Comment below and keep him in your prayers. Papa, Papa. He's still in drowsiness. Papa? So these are the things, Mashahallah. Fruits, puri, aloo puri, arki shingara, laddu. For those who are reciting Quran, for my Papa, small, just small, kind of. This is how I like to. I hope you are liking it. Mashallah. So, Alhamdulillah, everything is over. Milad is over. Papa is sitting now with me. And already dinner time gone, but I will feed him. I think he's not feeling that better. Actually, few days back I had to take him again for his regular checkup to the urologist to see if he could pass his urine or if he doesn't need the catheter like that. But I tried my level best and prayed that he should not have he should not use the cathedral, but it's all Allah's. You know, whatever Allah wants, it's for the betterment, and I hope whatever he is doing for the better anyways. But today it's his birthday. Alhamdulillah, Mashallah, it's the 86th birthday. Pappa. So today my Pappa and me, we both are wearing new outfits, everything, and I just did a small. He's trying to say something that I have been asking to talk to with everyone, but that time he doesn't. When everybody is gone, he's okay with, and he likes to talk to me. I don't know why. I don't know why, matlab, he feels comfortable. Anyways, I hope you like the vlog. Only thing I would like to say is that no matter what is your dream, what you want to achieve in your life, the most precious, priceless success achievement if you want to achieve in your life is your parents. When you are with your parents, especially at this point of time, when they really need you. I'm not saying that I'm doing something and that's why I'm saying that. And I believe I'm so grateful to Allah today that maybe for this reason I'm still with him. Otherwise I don't know about my destination, where I would have been. Maybe I might be married, I might be single but somewhere else, or be busy with my usual like work, as I used to be so workaholic, as you all know. But whatever happens, it happens for my betterment, for our betterment. So always believe in Allah and always pray. No matter what you are doing, just be with your parents where you are, wherever you are, at least at this age when they really need you. And this is what I think our kids are going to learn. If we will do it, they are going to do the same thing. So I'm ending my video here, my Pappa's birthday vlog. But that's how I celebrate birthday. My Pappa used to do a lot of things. He used to had milad like for no reason, but many times. But whatever it's possible for me, I did today. I hope you have liked it, and it is nothing to show off or nothing like that. So that's it. But last but not the least, please keep my parents, everybody's parents, in your prayers, and be with them, and then do whatever you feel like to do. But be safe and be positive, be strong. That's the most important thing when you're alone and you have to face a lot of things. So you need to be strong and keep praying, keep calling Allah. He is the best, He is the most merciful, and He is the only one will give you, actually with you. From my experience, I'm saying this. Alhamdulillah, Mashallah, I'm very grateful to Allah that today I am with my Pappa and I was also with my mummy. So here we are signing off. Till then, love and peace. Allah Hafiz. Pappa bol dijiye Allah Hafiz. Allah Hafiz. Ne boliye. Ne Allah Hafiz boliye. Allah Hafiz. Alhamdulillah. Allah Hafiz. Alhamdulillah. Whatever I will say, he will say. Actually, I think he needs some rest. So, till then, Allah Hafiz, love and peace. Nahid Hussain, actually Mr. Sakhawat Hussain, Al-Hajj Sakhawat Hussain, and I am actually my parents' MBBPS daughter. That means Ma, Babar, Bekar and Pagol Shantan. So, I am disclosing my, what is that called? Oh my God. Yeah, what I have done, achieved. So, this is my achievement. So,
बाय बाय, अल्लाह हाफिज पापा, अल्लाह हाफिज कीजिए, अल्लाह हाफिज कीजिए। ये प्लीज कीप my parents and everybody's parents in your prayers. Allah Hafiz.